The Kera sit2sit hoist lifts the user via a secure hug between the chest pad and backstrap. The position of the chest pad can be adjusted to accommodate varying height users. Understanding how this setting affects the transfer can allow you to improve the user's comfort or reduce the caregiver handle forces. In this video, we explain principles for its use so that you can get the best out of your carer. The standard method for setting the chest pad position is: lower the chest pad to just above the user's thighs, pull up the index pin, and slide the chest pad toward the user until it is firmly against their stomach. Release the index pin and see it lock into place. The ideal chest pad setting is such that when the back strap is tightened, the user is sitting up straight and there is an even pressure between their body and the chest pad. For example, say the ideal setting for this user is with 2 holes showing on the chest pad slider. Setting the chest pad further away from the user, so with 5 holes showing, will have them leaning forward onto the chest pad. This may result in some of the following effects: more pressure on the top of the chest, but therefore less pressure on the stomach. The back strap will be more likely to slide up the user's back as they are leaned forward. The hip angle is tighter when in the forward position, and more pressure on the user's knees. It is less likely to achieve a good seating position back in the chair. A possible benefit of this setting is that the caregiver handle force is lower as the user hasn't been lifted up as high. We have shown an exaggerated case for demonstration, but even setting the chest pad with 1 extra hole showing can reduce the force with only minor effects felt for the user. The chest pad can be set in the opposite direction and moved further toward the user so that no holes are showing on the chest pad slider. Achieving this setting can be done by either pressing the chest pad more firmly against the user's stomach, or having the chest pad in the desired setting when wheeling the carer up to the user. This may result in some of the following effects: less pressure on the chest, but possibly more on the stomach; less likely for the back strap to slip up the user's back; a more open hip angle when in the forward position and straighter legs; less pressure on the user's knees. It will also promote seating further back in the chair. A result of this chest pad setting is that the caregiver handle forces will be larger as the user has been lifted up higher. The comparison shows the difference between user position as affected by the chest pad setting. Once the ideal setting for a user has been determined, drawing a line on the chest pad slider at the hub ensures it can be easily returned to the correct setting if it gets changed. For a single user scenario, the chest pad can be left in this setting permanently. See our other videos to understand how to make the Kera sit2sit work best for you.